Benefits of eating protein powder. Benefits of eating protein powder. It is very important to be health conscious for which people exercise and exercise. These people need more protein than they can get with protein powder. Today we are going to tell you about the benefits of protein powder, what is protein powder and how to make protein powder at home. What is protein powder? Most protein powders are made from milk, yogurt, or soy. What is the function of protein powder? When people are unable to get protein from food sources, then they use protein powder to fulfill their protein needs. Benefits of protein in muscle development. The muscle mass of the body naturally decreases with age. However, by consuming certain nutritious foods, this process can be slowed or stopped. Regular intake of high-protein foods keeps your body strong and maintains your muscle mass. For this, you can consume high-quality protein powder. A 2018 study confirms that protein powder should be consumed as a supplement. Consuming adequate amounts of protein greatly improves muscle size and strength in adults. Protein powder benefits for recovery after exercise. Along with muscle development, protein powders can also repair damaged muscles and tissues. So athletes use protein powder to get relief from muscle aches after exercise. Several studies suggest that consuming protein powder after exercise helps reduce muscle damage, improve muscle performance and muscle protein synthesis. In this way, protein powder can be very beneficial for you too. Benefits of protein powder in weight loss. You can consume protein powder to keep your body fit and healthy. But protein powders also have benefits in controlling your weight. Protein is more satiated than carbohydrates or fats. Therefore, you can get fewer calories by consuming protein-rich foods. Apart from this, it also satisfies your hunger. This way you can succeed in controlling your weight. A 2018 study in the US showed that overweight men and women succeeded in weight control by regularly consuming protein powder. In this way, you can consume protein powder if you want the proper weight of your body. Protein powder beneficial for weak patients. Protein powder can be beneficial for those who are physically weak due to illness. The use of protein powder is beneficial for patients recovering from surgery or disease. Apart from this, it is also beneficial for people dependent on liquid diet due to health conditions. For example, protein shakes are often useful for people recovering from bariatric surgery, dental surgery or gastrointestinal disorders. People with these conditions cannot consume solids. Therefore, these people are advised to consume protein powder. In this way, it can be a good option to give you enough energy. Benefits of protein powder for better sleep. Good sleep is necessary for your good health. Consuming protein powder can help you get a good sleep. A study done in 2016 shows that consuming high protein powder is beneficial for overweight people. Another study also proves that consuming protein powder improves sleep quality in athletes. Since the intake of protein powder provides all the proteins required in your body. Therefore, it also helps you to get good sleep. If you suffer from lack of sleep or other sleep disorders, then you can consume protein powder. Benefits of protein powder in pregnancy. Experts recommend pregnant women and nursing, women who are feeding the baby, to take an additional 25 grams of protein a day. This means that during pregnancy, more protein-rich products should be consumed for the growing baby in the uterus. Protein powder may be a good choice for mothers who are allergic to meat, dairy products and fish. The powder can be mixed with milk, juice or water. Make protein powder and make body at home. Nowadays everyone wants to make their own body. For this, it is necessary to eat protein powder along with exercise. But protein powder is very expensive, it can also have some disadvantages. Today we are going to tell you a simple way by which you can make protein powder right from home. It is cheap and at the same time, it does not have any disadvantages. The way to make it is as follows: 1 cup almonds, 1 cup oats, 1 cup of milk powder, 4 half cup chia seeds. Grind these 4 in a grinder to make it a powder. Take your protein powder ready.